Hi there. In this video, we're going to cover how you're able to share this experience in your externship on your LinkedIn and on your resume. So first things first, once you get situated on the student portal, go ahead and enroll into an externship. We have another video that goes over a tutorial of our entire student portal here. So once you do get enrolled into an externship, you're obviously going to want to share this experience with your network, which we highly encourage. So once you get started, on your onboarding and your orientation program, you will be shared a customized image and caption for your specific externship, which is perfect for either LinkedIn or even Instagram if you want to share it there. To post it, you'll have to go to your homepage and select Start a Post, and then you can upload the image and paste the caption and tag Extern along with your host company. So during the orientation, you'll go through all the ways that you'll have the quick house rules and everything that you need to know in order to properly post your externship on your resume and your LinkedIn. So if you have any questions there, feel free to reach out to us. And if you happen to misplace that image for the during the onboarding, go ahead and reach out to us and be more than happy to share that image with you. So now that you're well into your externship and maybe even completed your externship, you're going to want to share this opportunity not only on your resume, but on your LinkedIn. And there are some critical points that we want to make in order to make sure that you are posting this opportunity and this experience in the right way. So externships are a great way to show employers you're getting professional experience in a meaningful and intentional way. So we please ask you to make sure that you add Extern as the company, since Extern is the centralized platform and provider of the externships. Then you can add the company, the title of the externship, and the fact that you are an extern. So here, as you can see on my screen, this is during the onboarding process for the SNAP externship. And as you get to the bottom of this page, you'll see how you should properly be posting this externship onto your resume as well as your LinkedIn page. So as you can see here, Extern is listed as the company, but we also include SNAP, the dates, and the fact that it is remote. And here are some bullet points that you can add to your resume and your LinkedIn. You obviously don't need to follow these exactly, but these are just general guidelines of your experiences that you have over the externship. So this is specifically for SNAP, but depending which externship is you're in, you'll have these different experiences listed. Add a couple bullet points sharing the project, what the impact is, and the skills that you might have received. So I'll also show you another extern that we've worked with and how they posted, and this is actually perfect. So they were involved with our PwC program as well as the Home Depot, and they even did an externship with Beats. So as you can see here, they listed Extern as the company, and then they put their projects and their externships along the way. So this is a really great example of how you should be posting this on your LinkedIn. And as well as with your resume, it should be following this similar format. And at the end of your externship and during your externship, we'll provide you with this language so you can adequately post this to your resume. So we hope these videos are really beneficial for and clearing the air, a better understanding of how you should be adding this externship to your resume and your LinkedIn, because this is a new experience. It's a new format of professional experience for you. So we want to make sure that we're clear in the air here. But obviously, if you have any other further questions about how to post this and share this opportunity with your network, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to guide you along the way.